This little thing is a hacking device.
I will be using this ESP8266 nodemcu to deauth my home's Wi-Fi dongle. So this is my Airtel's home dongle, and you can see it's connected to my phone right now. As you can see, it is connected to my phone. It's called the Fat Man, and now let me show you the connection. Yeah, it is giving me a stable bandwidth, and over here I have connected with the nodemcu, and I've selected my Wi-Fi, Fat Man, and let's start the attack. Now if you see, I'm trying to connect to Fat Man. It is getting disconnected, and whenever I try to connect, it shows incorrect password or it shows me connection failed. Now why is this happening? This is because of this Deauth attack. Now let's do something crazy. Let's perform the beacon attack. And start. Now as you can see, there are so many SSIDs called "you are hacked." So what happened here is, my phone was connected to Fat Man, and my phone, which was the device, communicates with the Fat Man through a handshake. But in this Deauth attack, my nodemcu sent fake deauthentication packets pretending to be my phone. This tricked Fat Man into disconnecting my phone from the network, causing me to lose my connection. nodemcu continued sending these packets till I stopped. This attack is often done by hackers to force connect your device to a malicious Wi-Fi. By activating the beacon attack, my nodemcu sent beacon packets to advertise the access points. This attack is generally used to annoy the target user, which was me. Now you see, you need to first plug in your nodemcu with your laptop PC or your mobile phone. Come to this website of deauthor.com, then it will be in the description. Come down to these track devices and click on USB Deauth. There will be a bin file which will be downloaded, and then you have to proceed to esptool.spacehunt.com. Again, it will be in the description. Click on connect. Select your device, which is in the COM3 port of my laptop. Connected. Now you need to click on select. Select your bin file, open it, and then click on program. Continue. And it's done. Now what you need to do is, you need to unplug and then plug your nodemcu again. And it's done. Now you need to come to your Wi-Fi settings on your Wi-Fi, and then if you can see, there's an SSID called tuned, and this is our nodemcu. So click on it, click on connect, and the password for it is Deauthor. Click on next and wait for it to connect. So as it is done, come to your browser, come to the following IP address 192.168.4.1, enter, and you should see this page. Click on I have read and understood the notice above, and this is our dashboard, and there's our Fat Man over here. So what you need to do is click on the stick button and come to the attack page and click on the start button to activate your Deauth attack. Now whoever tries to connect to Fat Man will ultimately fail. Right? Now let's try the beacon attack. Come to SSIDs, and by default you will see the Rickroll lyrics over here, but I want to do something different. Let's try, you are hacked, and let's offer 10. Click add, and there are 10 SSIDs of you are hacked. These are the access points. Or if you try to connect to them, you will ultimately fail and it won't work out. So let me stop the Deauth attack and click on the beacon. Start.
So that was it from Priyam. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and follow for more.